Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Rafia Syed. I'm the Director General of Trade Development Authority of Pakistan for the Punjab region and the Services Division. And it is my honor to invite you all to the 2026 edition of Pakistan Travel Mart. Theme for this year is Trade Through Travel with a focus on religious tourism, especially the Sikh tourism, which will be a means of cultural diplomacy and economic exchange and regional peace. We'll be showcasing the transformative power of, travel and tourism and cross-border partnerships. And this is one event which brings together a plethora of stakeholders which are involved in the entire ecosystem of the tourism sector under one roof. So the massive benefit that you will get from participating is you will not only get to meet the global leaders, the policymakers, but every stakeholder, including all the paraphernalia, all the sectors, all the stakeholders of the tourism sector. And we are proud to carry key features from the 2025 edition, which included the Sustainable Destinations Forum and the IT-enabled services in the tourism sector, particularly because the global economy is moving towards digitization, and this sector is no exception. And Pakistan has to offer every sort of tourism experience, and the way the world is shifting towards curated, experiential and sustainable experiences, Pakistan has the potential and actually offers all of them, be it the culinary tourism, be it the cultural tourism, be it the historical tourism, be it the medical, be it the adventure tourism or ecotourism. Name it, and Pakistan has it. But you have to attend the 2026 edition to come witness it firsthand, as we'll be holding the main session in Karachi, Sindh, and this will be followed by a 2 days roadshow in heart of Pakistan, Punjab, Lahore. So come, join us and in shaping new narrative, basically to reimagine how destinations connect and grow and thrive in a changing landscape. So we welcome you all to the 2026 edition. Thank you very much.